Safety is fundamental to the way we work and live. There's a reason this statement is at the very top of our core values list. We're proud of the safety records of the PLH Group companies, but we never stop striving to improve. That's why we host PLH Group Safety Summit, where safety professionals from each of the business units come together to learn about the latest safety innovation and, most importantly, to share the benefits of their experiences and best practices. Each one of us goes home better equipped from the Safety Summit to keep our teams out of harm's way.